What's going on, everybody? I'm Shy and this is the Dollar.Tree. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Yes, thank you very much. We are trying to grow this channel. Shout out to everybody who watched and liked the previous video. Much appreciated. Shout out to everybody who's coming in liking this video. Thanks for all the new viewers. If you are watching, please consider subscribing. All right. You can follow us on Instagram at the.dollar.tree. You can follow me, yes, on Instagram and YouTube. I'm Leo Calm, C-A-L-M. In this video, I'm going to be talking about investing in the market and recovering losses. I'm going to just dive a little bit deeper, not all the way deep, but a little bit deeper into perspective when investing in some of these cryptocurrencies, what you expect out of it, when you need to take losses, what you need to have set up, etc., etc. But before we get started, previously in one of the Vechain videos, in the comment section, I believe it's the first video, someone said that they truly, wholeheartedly feel as though I'm wrong, that I am egregiously wrong about my Vechain price prediction. So I said, you know what? If I'm wrong, I will give away $100 to a subscriber. Now, we know, listen, we're just getting started. Got a long way to go for this run up, a year and a half, 2 years. So I figured, what can I do in the interim, since it's going to be a ways away to give away that $100. So since we're currently at a little over 200 subscribers, we're going to do a giveaway, a cash giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. All right. So go ahead and share the video. We appreciate you if you're liking and sharing already, and subscribe. Let's keep that going so we can get that giveaway started very soon on the channel. Also, another thing that I want to talk about, shout out to the person who asked me in the comment section, what do I think is a better investment, Bitcoin or Ethereum? That video is going to be coming down the pipe very soon. I believe it should be the next video or the video after this one. And then after that, also coming down, I'm going to talk about my Ethereum price prediction, my expectations for Ethereum. Okay. So since we're talking about it, Ethereum had a breakout. All right. Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin finally crashed above 10,000. Came back down, but hey, there's some progress being made with Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. I'll talk about the Ethereum price prediction going forward. Bitcoin, I'm pretty much in line with what I said in the previous video, or one of the Vechain videos, where I brought up the example of Chico Crypto's video of where Bitcoin may be headed. And I also said that I'm not really the biggest fan of investing in Bitcoin. Not saying whether I have or I haven't, but yeah, I think it's very good that it went up. I expect another pullback from Bitcoin. If not, hey, we know that this market is heavily manipulated. So, but if we do get one last heavy pullback from Bitcoin, I'm looking from anywhere between 20-25% pullback for Bitcoin, which in my opinion is very good, because let's shift right over into it. Recovering losses. If you bought high, let's say you bought Bitcoin at $12,000. You spent $1,000 on Bitcoin at $12,000. You should have been buying as much Bitcoin as you could have. Not financial advice. Okay, this is just a scenario. This did not actually happen. You should have been looking to purchase as much Bitcoin as you can below that $6,000-7,000 range. Now, I'm not going to get explicit as far as the investment tactics or investing in gains and losses, accumulation zones. I'm saving that for the Patreon. Yes. So real quick, I will be setting up a Patreon at 1,000 subscribers for actual investors, people who are currently in the market, people who want to benefit from other opportunities and working together as a group so we all can benefit and come up financially in this market. I'm also going to be reviewing the trading group that I am in currently at this moment, in case you guys want to get on that trading group, so you guys can benefit from as well. Exclusive content also will be provided on the Patreon. So look out for that. Let's grow this channel. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers and beyond. So when it comes to investing and recovering losses, if you're buying high, you better have invested in a coin with potential. So if you invested at basic attention token or Bitcoin high, basic attention token around 38, 36 cents, Bitcoin 12,000. I've heard of situations where people have said, man, I bought at 18,000 and I sold Wow. So I'm just going to tell you right now, when Bitcoin came back down to $5,000, you should have been trying to get you plenty more Bitcoin at that point. As much portions or whole Bitcoin as you could have, because let's be real, over the course of a year, dollar cost averaging around a particular price into Bitcoin, you would have recovered your losses or broken even by now. Okay, let's be honest about that. And that's really what I wanted to just let you guys know. Don't get down on your investment for a good potential coin or cryptocurrency investment asset that has potential. Don't get down on it. You use something similar or a dollar cost averaging technique because you're continuously investing for the long haul. Always plan for the market. Always have your exit strategy. What do I mean by exit strategy? I'm not going to save that for the Patreon. I'll give it to you right now. When you invest in some of these cryptocurrencies, you should already know and you should already have expectations of where you see the price going, realistic expectations for where you see the price going. And you should always have a strategy as where you want to get out of the market, because keep in mind, you're not the only one playing this game. I've said it. And if a large group of people decide to pull the plug or the rug on this market because they see a better investment in a coin that has not taken off yet, say basic attention token takes off, and Ethereum was just sitting idle by, and basic attention token is up 8-9%. The target is 15%. People may say, oh man, Ethereum is poised for a huge run up. They pull the rug, you have a random drop in price from basic attention token, and then boom, Ethereum takes off and you're left holding a bag because you didn't take profits off the table and you didn't even have a plan of getting out of the market. You just got shaky. And you're like, man, I got losses. And then you sell like everybody else. All right. But that's pretty much what I want to tell you guys. I'm going to talk about this a little bit more. So stick around for the next 2 minutes and let's discuss it. So what do I believe is a good projected strategy for getting to the market? If you're not a trader, simply dollar cost average. Set out a plan, lay out a plan for how much money you want to get into the market at which price over a period of time, and you stick to the plan. And that's why I tell everybody it is very, very important that when you want to invest in crypto, you seek professional help. All right. You figure out what is the best options for me to get in and benefit from this, and what are the great times to buy. Also, learn basic technical analysis and patterns. All right. Learn how to read and understand these charts. In the long run, it will benefit you. Okay, so I'm going to dive deeper into recovering these losses in later videos, and more so a strategy in investing and recovering losses on the Patreon. But I'll say this: if you put $5,000 into the market at $30 basic attention token, you saw the price come all the way down. It's just dumping and dumping and dumping, and then you see a bounce, and suddenly you realize basic attention token has bounced from 13 cents up to around 16 cents. All of the market is coming up. If you believe in that coin, if you've done your research, if you have high expectations, if you know basic technical analysis, if you see other people backing the growth in the market or these run-ups, you should be getting that other $5,000 where you should be slowly working that money into the market, dollar cost averaging in, so that once you get higher up toward that 25, 26 range, you should be able to break that $5,000 range, dollar cost averaging in, so you can come closer toward breaking even or even having gains on basic attention token or any other coin that is projected. So in closing, I did a video, like I mentioned previously, about these coins, these altcoins, major losses, 7,000% losses, 20,000% losses, complete and utter ridiculous amounts of losses. You do not want to put your money, large amounts of money, into these projects early on without doing a proper research or understanding the upside in these coins, because you will get demolished. No, not wrecked, demolished, flattened, leveled. All right. So, but anyway, appreciate everybody for watching. You can follow us on Instagram, The.Dollar.Tree. You can follow me on Instagram and YouTube at I'm Leo Calm. Yes, fitness, life stuff, activities. You know, once everything opens back up, I'll be much more active as far as activities on that channel. So go ahead and give me a subscribe over there. Appreciate everybody for watching and liking the video. Let me tell you what's coming. So next video, I'm basically going to do an Ethereum price prediction, what I expect from Ethereum. And then after that, I'll do the Bitcoin, Ethereum, which is a better investment. That is a loaded question. I'll address that. And then going forward after that, I will do a review on the trading group that I have been in, that I'm currently in, and that you guys may want to get into as well to help learn about the market and benefit. So once I start up the Patreon, we'll all be on par. We'll all have our strategies together to benefit from the market. And I'll divulge some of my strategies as well on the Patreon for being successful in the market. Appreciate all you guys. If you lasted this long in the video and you got that snippet at the end, much grateful. So I'll see y'all in the next video, man. This is Dollar.Tree, and I'm out.